our field, getting ready to get out on the water to harvest some oysters. There's an important technique involved here. You have to get out onto the water before you can harvest. So here's how we do it.
So here we go, and I learned all of this at the Cuttyhunk Yacht Club when I was 7 or 8, 9 years old. Safety, center of the boat, paddling out. And the nice thing is all the oysters we're harvesting today, we're getting ready for the upcoming holiday bonanza of Thanksgiving. We feel that probably on the Native American table back in the day, there were oysters on the Pilgrim's table. Here we go.
The key to the technique here is to row out to the raft before the boat fills up with water. Looks like he's gonna make it.